Hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am doing a Valentine's Day tablescape, and everything was either from Dollar Tree or on clearance from Hobby Lobby, and I think I have one thing from clearance from ZGallerie years ago. So this is stuff I already have. I just kind of pulled it out. Some of the stuff I got last year on clearance from Hobby Lobby. I did a haul on that, so you'll be seeing that. All right, so I just pulled it out. I hope it's gonna look good because I can't dig through all of that stuff again. All right, so let's start. And my OGs, you've seen this. I pull this out every year. These placemats from Hobby Lobby, they were on clearance. I don't know how much. Oh, I'm gonna do it like this. I love having a round table in this space, but I like how when you have a rectangular table, you have a nice place for a runner. And so I'm gonna try to like do this like I would a rectangular table. Okay. See, I use this a lot, this runner. Now these are new. Hubby just got me these like last week. I was doing so good, guys. I need new dishes and chargers. Like I need a hole in my head, and I've been avoiding buying anything new. And then what happens? Hubby went into Dollar Tree and he saw these. He knows what I have. He's never like stopped me from having my fetish with dinnerware. And he saw these and he got them for me. And those little rectangular the rectangular little like trays. So thanks. I was like, oh my God, I wanted those, but I said, I'm not going to buy anything else. And so he was reading my mind. So that's what happens when you've been married for 30 years. Okay, got these at on clearance last year at Hobby Lobby. They were $2.99 originally, so I got these for like 30 cents. So I always see how things can work on a table. Even though these are like set up to be a hanging, they're coasters for me. Y'all know the way we think. So that's a coaster. So that's what this channel is all about, living tastefully for less, being creative and resourceful with things. A seasonal tablescape like this, I'm not going to spend full price. This would have been a $500 tablescape, but everything I got was like made under $50. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember my haul. I got these little, what do they call these? I keep the tags on so I can tell you guys. This is, a little, I don't know what they call these. But these were $9.99 each. $9.99 original. I paid $1 for them. So $3. Like little hangings, little. But for me, they are a runner. I try to see what they call it, because I know what I'm going to call it. This is a table runner. Okay, so I'm going to go and let it shape like it wants to shape. Okay, so I got these in white. So what are they now? They're candle holders. So like 39 cents for those. Okay, let's see. What are we going to do now? Okay. These are my favorite glassware from Dollar Tree. At the high-end stores, they're $9.99 each and up. But I got them when they were $1. I really love hubby got me these chargers. I'm like, I said, now that's love. I said, that's my dude right there. You know what wifey wants. You know what wifey likes. Okay, now when I saw these at a Hobby Lobby last year on clearance, I fell in love. It's like other people see like a wreath hanger or something. What I see, a placemat. And these were $7.99, so I got them for 79 cents. I like the farmhouse look of them. The galvanized metal buffalo check, so cute. Okay, then we have these. These are little wreaths, little wall hangers. These were $7.99 each originally. I got them for 79 cents. And we're going to just use beautiful clear glass, plates, luncheon plate, Dollar Tree, years ago. I mean, like, probably 20 years ago. These are like better than Mikasa. I even think I've seen something like that at Mikasa's. Okay. Oh no, I'm not gonna put these there. So I'm gonna put, this is just some cutlery I had when I was catering. Just plain, since there's so much going on, I want the cutlery just to be simple. Okay, and instead of going out, we're not buying anything new. Instead of going out buying flowers and stuff, no, this is not the time to be overspending. Okay, then I'm going to put the candles right here. And you can dress up your plants. Just do it like that. Let me see if I can. I don't want to do it in the middle. Like, just do it nice. I made that bow. And just this was a clearance pick from Hobby Lobby. And oh, so I put the things there, the candle holders and the candles there. And these bowls. Stick the bowls back there. And we're going to top it all off with, these were ZGallerie napkin rings that I got on clearance years ago. And then this is a Dollar Tree placemat that I turned into a fan. So stick that right there. Gonna step back, go around and adjust anything. Okay, family, okay, tastemakers, this is how everything looks close up. And each place setting probably cost maybe $8, if that much. It's beautiful. So just want to share with you, you don't have to spend a lot of money to have fun at your home, to decorate at home, and to, just create a loving, festive atmosphere on a budget. Just shop off season. I always show you every year after certain holidays how if I'm going to buy something, it's going to be under $1 most of the time, clearance stuff. So I hope this inspires you to use what you have and pull together stuff that suits your home decor, your style on a budget. Okay, family, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you stopping by. I just love how that greenery, live greenery, just made everything pop around here. Okay. So, you could use a plant. You don't have to go out and spend a lot of money on flowers. And you'll have this plant all year long. Plants, this is a pothos. Okay, but guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your support. Hope you got some inspiration on how you can use unconventional clearance items or just unconventional items to create a beautiful tablescape. All right. And this would have been $500 or more, and I spent probably $50, if that much. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, and we're going to thrive in 2025. Thank you guys. Thanks all of my tastemakers. See you in my next video. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, Mom.